how to shift iPhone or iPad keyboard to left or right. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you a super handy trick which is how to shift your iPhone or iPad keyboard to left or right side. This is perfect for one-hand typing on larger devices, so let's get started. First, open any app where you can type like messages or notes. When the keyboard appears, tap and hold the globe icon or emoji icon at the bottom left corner. A menu will pop up with 3 keyboard options: left, default and right. Select the left option to move the keyboard to the left side or the right option for the opposite side. To bring the keyboard back to center, follow the same steps and select the default middle layout. This also works on iPad if you are using the floating keyboard. Just pinch inward on the larger keyboard to switch it to floating mode and then shift it wherever you like. And that's it. Now you can type more comfortably with one hand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.